Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome to you all in my channel. First, subscribe the channel and like the videos to get more videos that is related to your textbook topics. Now, we are going to start our topic, that is converting measurement, and the subtopic is converting volume. If anybody know what is the volume of an object is the space occupied by this object. Space means we have this book. If we want to find the volume of this book, we must know its height, its length, and its breadth. Then we get its volume. Volume of an object is the space occupied by the object. Now start. Volume is measured in liters and milliliters. Liter is a greater value and ml is a smaller value. Liter is greater than milliliters and milliliters is smaller than liters. When we convert liters into milliliter, liter is a greater value, milliliter is a smaller value. When we convert liter into milliliter, we multiply it by 1000. And if we convert ml into liters, ml is a smaller value, liter is a greater value. When we convert smaller value into greater value, we divide it by 1000. Now let us explain from our textbook questions. Now let us start from our question number 5. That is, we have 0.95 liters. We convert it into 0.95 liters into ml. Liter is a greater value. ml is a smaller value. When we convert greater value to smaller value, we multiply. We multiply by 1000. So, when we multiply 0.95 by 1000, we get 950. So, 950 ml is the answer. We have our part B. 5.374 liters. We convert it into ml, milliliters. Liter is a greater value. ml is a smaller value. When we convert greater value to smaller value, we multiply by 1000. In conversion of the liters and milliliters, we use the number 1000. So 5.374 multiplied by 1000. The decimal point moves 3 places to right and we get 5374. This is our part C. 2.765 liters. We are going to convert into liters and milliliters. We know that before the point, the digit is the liters, and after the point there is ml. We just simply write it into 2 liters and 765 milliliters. simply in part D. We convert 2.765 liters into liter and ml. We know before the point is the whole liter and after the point is the ml. So here we have 2 liters and 765 is the milliliters. Now we have question number 8 from our textbook. This is the reverse of question number 5. Now we convert smaller value to greater value. In our part A, 550 ml, we convert it into liters. ml is a smaller value and liter is a greater value. So, when we convert smaller value to greater value, we divide it by 1000. So 550 when divided by 1000, we get 0.55. How we get 0.55? Let's suppose we have a decimal point at the end. When we divide this number by 1000, decimal point moves 3 places to back. 1, 2, 3. So 0.55 is the answer, and 550 ml is equal to 0.55 liters. Now we have part B, 2859 ml. We are going to convert it into liters. When we convert smaller value to greater value, we divide by 1000. When convert smaller value to greater value, we divide it by 1000. So when 2859 divided by 1000, we get 2.859. How? Let's suppose we have a decimal point at the end. When we divide it by 1000, the decimal point moves 3 places to back. 1, 2, 3. 2.859. 2.859 is the answer. So 2859 ml is equal to 2.859 liters. Now this is our part C. We convert 3 liters and 750 ml into liters and milliliters. We just know that there are 3 liters here. We just write that there are 750 ml. So there are 3 liters and 750 ml. When we convert it into whole liters, what we do? We just divide 750 by 1000 and we get 0.75. When we combine 3 liters and 0.75 liters, we get 3.75 liters. I explain this by another example. We convert 4 liters and 15 ml into whole liters. We know that there are 4 liters. We just write it again, that's all. Now we convert this 15 milliliters into liters. We divide it by 1000. When 15 is divided by 1000, we get 0.015. So when we add 4 liters and 0.015 liters, the answer is 4.015 liters. So this, I hope you understand today's topic, that is converting volume. Thank you.